Hello, I'm Miss Jordy. I'm the Young Adult Librarian at the Headquarters Branch, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial of how to use the GALE Testing and Education Reference Center. This is just one of the many free online resources that we offer to you. This is a valuable online tool because it will help you to prepare for college. It will help you to prepare for standardized tests, and if you need help with basic English, writing, or math skills, there are also tutorials for that as well. In order to access it, go to the library's website at arcpls.org. Then under Digital Library, look under e-learning and select GALE Testing and Education Reference Center. And once you're here, there are several ways to navigate this online tool. One way is through this menu bar up here. So under Basic Skills, you'll find options for tutorials for English/writing, math, Microsoft, as well as math videos. Under high school, you'll find certain options such as practice tests for advanced placement courses, practice tests for different college entrance exams such as the SAT, STEM resources, as well as tutorials for basic skills for English, writing, and math. Under college prep, you'll find practice tests for different college entrance exams such as the ACT and SAT. And under career, there are resources to help you determine what career you want to go into, as well as to help you with the practice tests for those if they have entrance exams. And if you later decide to go to graduate school, once you've completed your undergrad degree, there are practice tests for entrance exams such as the GMAT, GRE, MCAT, the LSAT. And if English is your second language and you are preparing for the TOEFL, which is the test of English as a foreign language, there are practice tests for that as well. The second option is under here to search under what type of student are you, and I really like this section. It's like a question answer section to help you find the best resource for you. So let's say you are in high school. You'll select this one and then select start. And then based on what you're looking for, you will select the right option for you. So if you're preparing for a test, select here, then next. If it is a college entrance exam, select this one, then next. And then based on what entrance exam that you are preparing for, you'll select the right one that pertains to you. So let's say it's the ACT prep. You'll find practice tests, an online course, as well as an ebook. So I'm going to select ACT practice test just to give you an idea of what you'll need to do in order to access the resources. So if you already don't have an account with the Testing and Education Reference Center, you can register for it and just follow the prompts, type in your first and last name and email, and username and password, and come up with a security question and an answer. So once you've read the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, you can sign up for it in order to access the resources. Another option to navigate this tool is the menu here at the bottom. So another way to access college preparation resources is under College Planning Center. So select More Info. I really like this planning guide. It breaks it down. Once you're in high school, it breaks it down by grade as far as the steps that you need to start taking to prepare for college. So let's say you're in ninth grade. Okay, and they have it broken down from fall, winter, and spring/summer of the steps that you need to take. And then it goes from 10th to 12th grade. And it also has a parents checklist to help your parents, to show them what to do to help you to prepare for college. And there are so many more valuable resources as you scroll here, such as helping you to choose the right college for you, how to apply for college, to help you prepare for taking the college entrance exams, to help you determine what type of career, how to prepare for interviews, how to write resumes, even how to pay for college from scholarships and financial aid, and just so much more here. As well as more resources for helping you to prepare for college entrance exams. And this is another area to go if you're looking for resources to help you with practice tests. And I really like this section for middle school students. They have basic skill question banks for math, reading, and writing, as well as those same basic skills for 9th through 12th grade for math, reading, science, and writing. And there are more resources here. These are more so pertaining to career choices. And in order to access the online books, and right now you won't really need these resources, but they'll be great for you to come to later. Once you're at a point, once you graduated from high school, and you're at a point where you're determining careers, there are several resources to help you, whatever career field that you choose. And these are just some of the options. So thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you'll take advantage of this wonderful resource. And if you have any questions accessing it, please give us a call at 706-821-2615. Thank you again for joining me and have a wonderful summer. Bye-bye.